Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying essential prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Confirm Windows and OneDrive are up to date so you're not chasing known bugs. Next, pause syncing and fully exit OneDrive from the system tray to ensure a clean restart. Then run the built-in reset command, %localappdata %backslash Microsoft /OneDrive/OneDrive, exe/reset. This clears transient state without losing files. Once done, wait a minute and relaunch OneDrive. Make sure the icon reappears before moving on. Now you'll dig into the middle steps that resolve most pending states. Open OneDrive settings and review account to confirm the right folders are selected. Deselect and reselect problematic folders to force reindexing. Check file names and paths for unsupported characters or overly long paths. Trim or move files so paths stay under limits. Then verify storage quota and test your network by uploading a small file. OneDrive won't sync if quota is full or connectivity is flaky. Make sure to keep OneDrive running as you adjust these settings. To finish, perform final steps that complete the recovery process. Restart your PC to clear lingering locks or services, then watch the OneDrive icon for syncing progress and status messages. If problems persist, run the OneDrive troubleshooter, or unlink and relink your account in settings to rebuild the sync connection. As a practical troubleshooting tip, move any stubborn files to the desktop, allow OneDrive to sync a clean state, then reintroduce those files, one at a time to identify the offender. This isolates issues without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.